100 common questions and answers in English.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
What is your nationality?
I am Japanese.
What do you do?
I'm a programmer.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Japanese, Russian, and English.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually relax or read a book.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook most days.
What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is pasta.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually spend time with friends or go hiking.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is coding.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading a lot.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and jazz music.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but I prefer YouTube.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
What is your job title?
I'm a software developer.
How long have you been working there?
I've been working there for 3 years.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
What did you study?
I studied computer science.
What skills are important for your job?
Problem solving and coding skills are very important.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes I work remotely.
What is the most challenging part of your job?
Meeting tight deadlines is the most challenging part.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've been to several countries.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Italy.
How do you usually travel?
I usually travel by plane.
What is your dream destination?
My dream destination is America.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends.
What do you like about traveling?
I like exploring new cultures and trying new food.
How often do you travel?
I travel once or twice a year.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Paris.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I like the mountains.
Have you ever stayed in a 5-star hotel?
No, I haven't.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook well.
What is a popular dish in your country?
Sushi is a popular dish in Japan.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, but not often.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
What is the strangest food you have tried?
I tried snails once.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone every day.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is WhatsApp.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
How often do you use the internet?
I use the internet every day.
Do you prefer laptops or desktops?
I prefer laptops.
What is your favorite website?
My favorite website is YouTube.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online often.
Have you ever used a VR headset?
No, I haven't tried VR yet.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I use it to stay connected.
What is your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget is my smartwatch.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What season do you like the most?
I like spring the most.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time is it now?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, I think luck exists.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Eve.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I enjoy surprises.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is heights.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family makes me happy.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
What would you do if you won the lottery?
I would travel the world.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I would live in Switzerland.
What would you do if you were invisible for a day?
I would explore secret places.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I'd choose the power to fly.
What would you do with a time machine?
I'd visit the future.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Sometimes when I'm in the mood.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and adventure movies.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I celebrate with friends and family.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a software architect.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, especially for gadgets.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Christmas.
Do you like art?
Yes, I appreciate art a lot.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
What is your favorite car brand?
My favorite car brand is Tesla.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I listen to music or talk to a friend.
Do you like parties?
Yes, but not too loud ones.
What do you do in your free time?
I relax, read, or watch movies.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.